This week, Parashat Toldot, that's a shiur on Parashat Toldot. Imagine a Jewish man, a Jewish lady has a problem. Something is bothering him or her. It's painful. Cannot do what, he doesn't know what to do with himself. He's very helpless. What do we do? What does a man, a human being that has pain and he doesn't know what to do with himself, what does he do? Always in life, we look for addressing. We look for something to go to. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people don't have anybody to go to. Torah tells us in this parasha, our mother, Rivka, she had a problem. She had a very good problem. It was bothering her. What was her problem? Her problem was, she had twins. And the fact that she had twins, she was painful. She knew what's happening. But in deeper sense, whenever that she went by a Bet HaMidrash, one of the children kicked to come out. Whenever that he would go by idol worshippers, one would kick to come out. And she was confused. What's happening? Getting double messages in life. In one hand, you think this is the best. In the other hand, you see that goes. In other words, you are being torn between two places. And you don't know what to do with yourself. That was the situation of Rivka at that time. Torah tells us, what does a Jewish mother do? What does a Jewish man do? Vatelech lidrosh et Hashem. They go to search HaKadosh Baruch Hu. They go to find out what Hashem wants from them. And she went and she asked Da'at Torah. She asked, what does Torah think about it? How should I do? And Torah gives her answer. Shneikeim bevitrech. There are two great nations in your stomach. And one would be greater than the other one. But there are two great powers. Rashi says, who are these great powers? Rabbi and Tritos. In one time in history, both became very gadol. Rabbi was the greatest stature in Torah, and Antinos was the general of army of Romans. And Antinos would go to Rabbi and would tell him that I'm like an offer, I'm like a dust in front of you. He understood the greatness of Torah. And both together, they worked to bring out the Malchut of Hashem. And that was his twins. And that was the destiny of them. And that was what was Rivka was told. A lot of times in life, we are very puzzled. We are torn. We don't know where to go. We don't know. Torah is telling us, if really you look for Hashem, really you are sincere to find out what you want to do, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu would open His way. Hashem would show you how to do, where to go and how to make it. Somebody's story was said about somebody that in the morning goes to Daf Yomi, and there was a doctor by him, eye doctor. He looks at his face and his eye and says, I see something very crucial. You have to go to doctor right away. And he went to doctor right away, and the doctor looked at his eyes and tells him, yes, make his X-ray, scan, and they say, yes, we see that your eyes has cancer. And you have to do operation right away, and there's a 90% chance that you're gonna lose your sight. Person got up in the morning, he felt everything's okay. I want to see my children getting married. I want to be able to see my grandchildren. I want to be able to see, life. And all of a sudden, he confronts news. He told the doctor, I'm shocked. I don't know what to do with myself. He says, but you have a few hours, but you have to do the surgery right away because it's a matter of life and death for you. You have to do the operation to save your life. Then he went out. He didn't know what to do. Who should he call? Who should he go to? He should call his wife first. He should talk to his parents first. Talk to his brother first. He should talk to his rabbi first. He goes, walks by, he sees a shul, Bet HaKnesset. He goes to the Knesset, and obviously in the middle of the day, the Knesset is empty, nobody's there. He sat down and looked at Siddur, looked at Tefillah, and he saw every day he thanks HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem, you are the one, Pokeach Evrim, you opened the blind people. He asked himself, did I say this bracha this morning? He said, yes, of course I said it. That was routine of life. I said this bracha this morning, but I didn't understand what am I saying. Now that my sight is in danger, now I know what does this bracha mean. Then he told himself, it's not only sight. I could walk, I could get up, I could use my hand, I could move. He made a list of the things that he has to thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And he thanked Hashem. Of course, he was crying and thanking HaKadosh Baruch Hu for all of the things. I have a wife, I have children, I'm healthy, I could walk, I could eat. And finally, he got up and he felt much better. He understood it's in the hand of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. He said, Hashem, I accept your decree. Then after a few hours, went back to the doctor and said, doctor, I'm ready. Let's do the operation. Doctor said, I'm very sorry, but that's the thing, you have to do it as soon as possible. Then they prepared him for operation. They did pre-check to see everything is okay for operation. All of a sudden, doctors in the scan and x-ray, he doesn't see anything. Sees nothing is there. Says, I can't believe it. I can't believe it cannot be. But nothing is there. Nothing is there. And he got up and they went to Mekubal. And they asked him, Mekubal, how do you explain something like that? He says, unbelievable point. He says, at that time that you sat in the shul, you searched Hashem. And what did you do? You showed Hakaratot HaKadosh Baruch Hu. You showed gratitude toward all of the benefits, all of the blessings that Hashem gave to you. Counted your blessing. The Zohar HaKadosh says, when a person comes with showing gratitude, the power of showing gratitude is even greater than tefillah. It's unbelievable. You show gratitude to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you make the connection with showing gratitude, the power of that is even greater than power of tefillah. What showing gratitude do, maybe tefillah would not do. You show the gratitude, and that's right. Now, once the rabbi was saying that, there was a man in the shul, heard this story, he had two children, two girls that didn't have shidduchim. It was a long time. They heard that, and what they do? This couple sat down one night and they said, we're going to write all of the list of the things that they have to show gratitude to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And they wrote the list and they showed. And on that year, the children, the two girls got married. This is the power of showing gratitude to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and is the addressing for no matter what problem we have in our life.